surprise for you. Picked up some wheels and we are gonna be painting them, refinishing them, and fixing up little scuffs. So as you can see here, they have small little scuffs. I'm hoping that without my without my drill I can take care of them. Unfortunately, this is all I have, so I'm gonna have to do it by hand, but fortunately they're not that bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. Once I start painting, I'm gonna show you guys how it goes along the way. That definitely went a whole lot smoother than I thought it would. Took a whole lot less time than I thought it would as well. But went ahead and hit it with 40 grit all the way around. Little bits and pieces that were actually bad. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with 400. And then maybe 800, then 1,000 to make sure this is really nice and soft. After that, I'm gonna hit them all with the brake cleaner. Then I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the primer, all 4 of them, a nice light layer, and then I'll let you guys know where we're at from there. Here we are, gonna let this dry out for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna apply the coat. This is just the primer, but it's looking good. Right, and here's the final product. Well, before we hit it with the gloss, it's looking really shiny, really good. Just the color I wanted it to come out to. Looks much darker in person. Obviously the lighting is absorbed by the camera a lot more, but looking good. Bad idea not wearing a mask. If I end up in the hospital, y'all know why. Thank you for watching. Look at what is the outcome of those rims, wheels, whatever you want to call them, but they look pretty good. That's what we're looking like right now. This is about a week or 2 after painting them. The bronze that I picked looks different when it's outside than when it's inside. Right now it's inside and it looks like a darker bronze, and to be honest, I like that dark bronze better than what it is lighter, because once you get close to it, maybe you see how it gets lighter. Yeah, but hey, I'm not gonna complain. I think I did a pretty good job. I just highly recommend, excuse me, you guys wait a couple of days, because as you can see here, I didn't wait for the paint to dry off for 48 hours. All right, so we're back. And today we're gonna be painting the Voltex lip. Yeah, we got the Voltex lip here. We cut it up. That's what we cut it up from the top to fit the Ralli art. And we cut into here. And then this we just made flush, cut diagonally. And cut diagonally here. Basically, that's how much lip you have left on the top, obviously, because it hits in the bumper. And don't mind my paint stall, but today I'm gonna be sanding with some Scotch-Brite, so we're gonna get to it. Like I said, guys, you guys don't need to get the best tools or the best anything. Work with what you got, man. I know you guys see those videos on YouTube all the time that these people go out and buy the best tool or the best stand and all that. Don't worry about any of that, man. Worry about the outcome for your car. You know, if obviously if you spend the least and get the same outcome, that's just a masterpiece of how many different ways you could do a lot of things. So don't even worry about what other people are thinking about when, you know, they come up to your build. It's your build. It should be your happiness, not other people's happiness. Like, don't worry about other people's opinions, because it's gonna affect you in a very negative way, and you're gonna be thinking about that all the time, but you're gonna forget about yourself. So don't forget about yourself. Let's get to it. This Scotch-Brite here I've had for about, man, 3 years. It is the 07747 Scotch-Brite. It's used for prepping, so yeah, let's go ahead and prep this thing. Final product, my friends. Nice and white, got the clear coat on already. Doesn't look that bad at all. Now we let it dry.